Welcome to Kanta. Hello everyone. Today, we will learn about rescue items. First aid kit, a small box with bandages and medicines. Oxygen cylinder, a tank that gives air to breathe. Breathing apparatus, a mask that helps people breathe in dangerous places. Stretcher, a flat bed to carry someone who is hurt. Spine board, a board to keep a person